That doesn't make any sense. We have to put a name to the person we trespassed. Let us just see your ID real quick and you're on your way.
It's not
It's
happening.
Not that hard.
Not happening.
Okay.
When you stand up for your rights, you stand up for the rights of everyone. When you give up your rights, you put everybody's rights in jeopardy. You empower the police officers who are being trained to go out there and identify everybody so that they can run them through the ringer in hopes of getting all the bad guys off the streets. That seems a bit lazy to me, folks, and it's un-American as well. This country's foundation is based on freedoms, and you have human rights. These human rights that you were born with. The First Amendment of the Constitution, as a matter of fact, was written to preserve your natural rights. So I'll give them to you really quick and then go watch this ID refusal. You have the freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom to assemble, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Watch this video from a newer channel. I'm going to drop the original link in the description and in the pinned comment. Go subscribe, let them know I sent you. Let's get right to it.
The fucker tells me, he tells me, no, there's nothing wrong with me not IDing myself, but then he goes and he runs the freaking plates on the truck.
What's that?
I was just talking the video.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can run the truck. I can run anything I want.
Right, on private property.
Doesn't matter.
Okay. All right, you have a good day.
Sir, Dunkin' Donuts does not want you on their property.
Did you just walk up and solicit a trespass?
No, I just asked her. They're the ones that called.
You said that they called and said
They
we're
called.
concerned about my well-being, that I hadn't moved in 16 hours.
Correct.
And I said, are they trespassing me? And you said, no. Then you go over and talk to her, and now I'm trespassed. Okay, I'll leave.
So we need your ID, sir.
No, you don't.
Okay. We have to know who we're trespassing. So I need your ID.
I have to be given the opportunity to leave.
Okay. So the other thing is we're going to call the DOT and they're going to do an inspection on your truck as well.
That's retaliatory. That's retaliatory.
Can I have your ID?
Did you know that it's actually upon you to know your rights? Do you think the cops actually care if you know your rights? Every day before they go out in the streets, they're being told to run everybody through the ringer. So it's important for you as a people to know exactly how the trespassing laws work. Google it, folks. It's that easy. And this man isn't wrong. He's correct. Keep watching the video.
Why am I being detained?
We asked you for your ID because you're being trespassed now.
I don't need to have my ID to be told to leave. I have to be given the opportunity to leave.
We trespassed somebody from the property, but we don't know who they are. That doesn't make any sense. We have to put a name to the person we trespassed. Let us just see your ID real quick and you're on your way.
It's not
It's
happening.
Not that hard.
Not happening.
Okay.
You cannot. You could let me leave.
Yeah, as soon as I see your ID.
No.
I will certainly let you leave. Absolutely. You
No.
haven't committed any crime, you're going to be on your way.
That's
What we're
it.
gonna do is we're gonna lock
That's
you in.
it. That's
Because
exactly what you said.
if you come
Exactly
back-
what you said. I
if
have
you come
not.
back, we have your ID and we know you're not allowed to be here, then you could be violating
No.
it, right? So we're giving you the opportunity to not violate it. Absolutely. You're right. Okay? But we're going to document who you are. So if you do come back, then you could be in trouble
Not
after
happening.
notice, right? Isn't it after notice? That's
Not
if you know
happening.
It's posted, right? You want
Not
to get into
happening.
the laws, it's fine.
Not happening.
Okay. Not a problem. We're on all day.
You're retaliating against
Not
me.
retaliating. This is our
You
job.
most certainly are.
This is our job. Okay?
I'm not required to give you ID. I'm on private property. They have asked me to leave now.
Correct.
Okay, and I'm leaving.
Okay. Not until we get your ID. We're going to know who you are first.
No, you don't.
Okay. Because when you come back here later on, no, I didn't. Wasn't trespassing.
Oh, trust me, I have no plans on coming back to this fucking shithole again.
Well, that's up to you, sir. I don't care. Okay. Let's see your ID on your way.
Not happening.
Okay. Looks like it's going to be a while then.
Yeah, I got to finish out my 34-hour break.
We do shifts. We work 24 hours a day.
I don't give a fuck. I'm not giving you my ID. I don't have to. I have not committed a crime. Now go away.
Well, we're not going anywhere. That's the problem. We're not going anywhere.
Yeah, it is. I was asked to leave. I'm going to leave. You told me I couldn't leave because now you're going to call the DOT if I don't give my license. You said it. You said.
Hello. How you doing?
I'm doing all right.
Just come to check on you because Dunkin' Donuts called, said they hadn't seen anybody come out in and out of
Oh,
the
okay. All right, yeah, I'm fine.
When I knew you would be here parked all night because I worked the overnight shift.
Oh, okay.
I was like, well, if he's been there 16 hours, I should make sure I go check on him.
I'm getting a 34-hour break.
34-hour break. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just.
Mind if I just get your ID real quick so I can verify?
Have I committed a crime?
What's that?
Have I committed a
You
crime?
have not.
Are they trying to trespass me?
Oh, sorry. So like I said, it's just a well-being check. Make sure you're okay.
All right, my name's Tim.
Okay.
Okay.
You don't want to give me your ID?
No, I mean,
What's that?
why? I mean, why?
You don't have to.
Okay.
I don't understand what the big deal is, but that's fine.
All right. They're checking the truck for warrants now.
Unfortunately, that's where the video stops, so I don't know if they ended up getting his ID or not, but I do want to say this. When I started watching these types of videos, it totally blew my mind how people were able to speak to police officers like this. I didn't know that you could. Then I realized I've been mistreated by police before. I'm not going to get into the specifics, but I'm guessing many of you believe me because you have been mistreated by police before. And so when I started recording police and speaking to them the way they speak to me, my channel began to grow. So now I want to point out videos to help you learn your rights, know that you can stand up for yourself, because like I've said before, when you stand up for your rights, you stand up for everybody's rights. When you give up your rights, you put everybody in jeopardy. And that's why it's important for you to not just comply, not to cower away, give them what they want, because what they want is to go home every night, take a fat paycheck, and not do anything to help the people out in the streets. Why police officers are willing to violate your rights? And not only that, they want you to give up your rights. Why would anybody in America want you to give up your freedoms? What does that make them? What kind of person does that make them? In my opinion, it makes them a horrible person. And I know that a lot of people that have started these channels, not everybody is all well-spoken. Many folks have tattoos and look mean, and not everyone is everyone else's cup of tea. But I will say this. Police officers can violate your rights with a smile. And just because they have a gun and a badge and a uniform, that doesn't make them an automatic good person. We're seeing that police officers are being hired not because they're intelligent, not because they have good intentions, because they're willing to use brute force against you to comply. And some of the biggest dummies that I see wearing uniforms are the ones that wear the chevrons. What a damn shame, folks. With that being said, thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you go subscribe to this channel. I'm going to drop the original link in the description and in the pinned comment. And go ask them what happened at the end. I want to know as well. So, all right, folks. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell as well. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.